Children, now we will continue from here. We left here in the last. Now, the law of jungle. Now, what is the law of jungle? It is very clear. It is very clear. Now, what is the law of jungle? It is that no wild animals will hunt any human being, and all cubs must be taken. Now, what is another law of jungle? All cubs must be taken to the council rock. ठीक है. Now we have a law. ह्यूमन बींग्स का अपना लॉ सिस्टम होता है, अपना रूल्स होता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. सेम वे जंगल, जो फॉरेस्ट है, हमारे फॉरेस्ट में भी वाइल्ड एनिमल्स का अपना एक सिस्टम होता है. दे हैव देयर ओन सिस्टम. ठीक है, दे हैव देयर ओन सिस्टम, दे हैव देयर ओन लैंग्वेज. सो देर इज़ अ काउंसिल रॉक in a forest. There is a council rock, and at the time of full moon, now what happens, what does the law of jungle says, that all the cubs, that all the baby cubs, that all the babies of the wolf should be taken to the council rock in the jungle, during which, at what time, during the night, when the moon is full moon, when the full moon night, all the cubs should be taken to the council rock. And the other wolves, why they should be taken? So that the other wolves of the pack, they see the new cubs and learn to recognize them, because animals होते हैं. आप उनको नहीं बता सकते हो कि ये कब है, ये इनको हार्म नहीं करना है. बट हाउ डू दे रिकॉग्नाइज? वो उनको काउंसिल रॉक में लेके जाते हैं, एंड देन दे शो द कब टू ऑल द पैक वुल्व्स, जो झुंड के जितने भी वुल्व्स हैं, भेड़िए हैं, सबको दिखाया जाता है दैट दीज आर द न्यू कब्स एंड यू डोंट हैव टू harm them. So you have to recognize them. Recognize means to know who somebody is or what something is when you see or hear them. जब आप किसी को देखते हो और पहचान जाते हो, जब आप किसी चीज़ को देखते हो या सुनते हो, किसी चीज़ पे, किसी भी म्यूज़िक को सुनते हो, आप पहचान जाते हो, दैट इज़ रिकॉग्नाइज. व्हेन यू रिकॉग्नाइज, जब आप रिकॉल करके पहचान जाते हो, दैट इज़ रिकॉग्नाइज. सो ऑल द बेबी कब्स शुड बी टेकन टू द काउंसिल रॉक टू शो. क्यों? सो दैट द अदर मेंबर्स ऑफ द पैक शुड सी दीज कब्स दैट दे बिलोंग टू आवर पैक. ये हमारे ग्रुप के हैं, ये हमारे पैक के हैं, एंड they will not harm them. And after that, the pack looks after them, and nobody is allowed to harm them. Yes, and nobody is allowed to harm them. Then when the time came, Father Wolf took Mowgli. Now what was the name of the child? Mowgli. Father Wolf took Mowgli to the council rock. The child sat and played happily with some stones in the mid moonlight, because बच्चे को तो कुछ पता नहीं लग रहा था what is happening. So he was playing happily with some stones, and he was happy looking here and there, because he didn't know what is happening. Now Sher Khan again came there. Sher Khan फिर से वहाँ आया. Sher Khan again came there and demanded that, ask firmly. फिर से उसने गुस्से से पूछा, asked firmly that the child should be given to him. that जो बच्चा है वो उसे दे दिया जाए. The child should be given to him. But Akela was the leader of the wolves. Who was the leader of the wolf? Akela was the leader of the wolves. He answered, we are free people. Why should we listen to anyone else? Now he is saying that we are free people. हम आज़ाद लोग हैं. Why should we take orders from you? We will not take any orders from you. Some of the other young wolves. Now वहाँ पे कुछ और भी wolves थे. Some of the other young wolves, they said, give him to Sher Khan. Why should we make the tiger angry? Now, some of the other wolves, those who were scared, they said that इसको शेर खान को दे दो. Why should we be in trouble because of this human child? हम क्यों किसी टाइगर से पंगे ले? Because he is very very powerful. He is very very wild. He will kill us. So give it to Sher Khan. We should not make the tiger angry. But Balu, the brown bear, there was a brown bear. Brown bear का name क्या था? Balu. But Balu, brown bear, whose name was Balu, who taught the wolf cubs to hunt and all these things. It was taught by Balu, the brown bear. The brown bear who taught, he said, let him stay with the wolf pack. I will teach him myself. मैं उसको पढ़ाऊंगा कैसे hunt करना है. I will teach him how to hunt, how to run, and how to save yourself from the wild animals. I will teach him. Then came the Bagheera. I showed you this. Black Panther's name was Bagheera. Now Bagheera also Bagheera also, Black Panther, he jumped into the circle of wolves. He also again jumped among the wolves and said, "Let the man cub live and run with you." He said, who said? Bagheera. उसने बोला, let the man cub live. इसको रहने दो, and he will live and he will run with you, and let him be the part of the pack. इसको अपने झुंड का एक पार्ट बना दो. It should be the part of the pack. And so it was decided. Mowgli the man cub became one of the wolf pack of the Seoni Hills, and this way Mowgli became one of the member of the wolf pack. I hope you have understood this story. Thank you so much.